Hare Krishna. So, from some days, I was thinking about that I should speak in English. So, I should start practicing. But there was none in my home to speak, and I can understand English, but when it comes for talking or speaking, I just stop my voice. So, I think that I should start practicing, but I don't understand that how to start. So today I will start my practicing journey by topic, that is cell. It's from life science. So today I want to start my practicing from the topic cell. So do you have any idea about cell? Okay, so when you look around, you see both living organism and non-living or inanimate things. So, do you have any thought? Do you have any? Do you have thought about that which thing differentiate between a living organism and a non-living thing? So the answer is cell. Why? Why I am telling that cell is the main thing which differentiates between a living organism and a non-living thing. So if I give an example, let's say you are a human being and you have a digestive system. So this digestive system is the example of an organ system. So how this organ system is formed? This organ system is formed from many organs, and these organs are composed of one organ is composed from many tissues, and the tissues are made of from many cells, and these many cells come from one cell. So from one cell an organ system is formed, and that is digestive system. So in digestive system you can see mouth, esophagus, small intestine, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Also there are some accessory glands like liver, gallbladder. Okay, so thus the digestive system is formed. So you can now understood that from only one cell this organ system is formed. So from one cell an organism is formed, us, the human being, is formed. So this cell is the smallest and structural and functional and fundamental unit of life. Why I am saying structural? Because from one cell the human beings are formed, a structure is formed. So this is structural unit of life. Why I am saying the functional unit of life? Because in this one cell, if I give example of unicellular organism like bacteria, paramecium. So on those cells are only one cell. They have only one cell, and on this one cell they grow, they reproduct, they helps in reproduction, also metabolism. This one cell helps in metabolism. This one cell is responsible for growth. this one cell is this one cell is everything for them. So from one cell an organism is forming, all functions are happening from this one cell. So the cell is functional unit of life. So now I will tell about the discovery of cell. So at first Robert Hooke first saw the dead cell, that was cork cell of plant, and the scientist Anton von Leeuwenhoek he saw and described about the live cell. I think I guess the live cell was the RBC, means red blood cell. And the scientist Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Nucleus I will discuss about later. Nucleus is present in cell. Okay. So now I will go for cell theory. In 1838, Matthias Claden, who was an German botanist, he told that all plant cells are composed of different types of cells, and those cells form tissues to make a plant cell, to make plant. At about the same time, at around 1839, um, Theodore Swan, who was a British zoologist, he also told that the animal cells are composed of many different types of cells, and he told that the animal cells has plasma membrane, and he also confirmed that the animal cells have no cell thick cell wall, but the plant cell have thick cell wall. um, Theodore Swan and Matthias Claden together formulated the cell theory, but this cell theory doesn't explain about how cells are formed. So in 1855, Rudolf Virchow, he gave one hypothesis, and the hypothesis is known as omnicellula e cellula. In this hypothesis, he told that all living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells, and secondly, he explained that all cells are arising from pre-existing cell. uh, from so I am telling about cell, but do you have any idea what is cell means? Can you guess the example of cell? So you everyday eat the egg cell, that is chicken's eggs, means hen's egg cell. You eat your diet, you eat your regular food diet. So this is the example. And also you can remember that the largest cell is the ostrich egg. Also you can think about the example about a red blood cell, white blood cell, also your nerve cell. Red blood cell is biconcave shaped, also round shaped, and there are mesophyll cells in plant. So for today I will stop here. I will stop my conversation, and again I will come tomorrow and discuss about the next theory or something about cell.